In 1,000 feet,
oh, wait,
use
no,
the
no,
middle
straight.
lane to turn
Straight.
right onto Kalakaua Avenue.
Just kidding. Go straight.
Oh my god.
Sorry.
Oh, I dropped your camera.
Hey, what's up everyone? Danny here. We are going to pick up a graphics card right now for this Craigslist Ride Along, and this one is a little bit special because I'm not home right now. I'm actually out of town. I'm on vacation with my girlfriend, so this is gonna be the first ever Craigslist Ride Along travel edition. So let's get right into it. So right now, my girlfriend and I are visiting the island of Oahu in Hawaii. I've tried to do travel versions of Craigslist Ride-Alongs before in the past whenever we leave town, and it never really worked out, either because there's nothing listed or it just didn't work in with our schedule, because when, you know, we're traveling or visiting or on vacation, Craigslist Ride-Alongs and YouTube are typically not the top priority. So working that into the schedule, it's kind of hard, but this one actually works out really well. The person is about 10 minutes away from us. We're meeting at the Ala Moana Mall. Moana, like the character from the Disney, right? I wonder if that's named after her or
No,
the same
it's
legend.
not.
It's not? Okay. The graphics card I am picking up is the GTX 780. I was just looking at the Craigslist and I saw it on there. It was a really blank listing. It had like one or maybe two sentences, no pictures, barely any description at all. But the guy asked for $100 or best offer. So I decided to throw him an offer of $80, which I think is pretty low, which would be an awesome price for that card. And he decided that he would take it. So he said, let's meet up at the mall food court, or I think right across from the food court. So that's where we're headed to right now. He said it's the EVGA Super Clock Edition, I believe. So it's the dual fan one. It's not the reference blower. So while it is high power consumption, it should cool pretty well. This was actually the only listing that was worthwhile from what I found. Everything else was pretty much overpriced. I'm really surprised he's able to let it go for 80 bucks, because I'm not sure what prices would be here on the island. I'm not sure, like, if they were to buy from Amazon or Newegg, if it's ridiculous shipping prices to them. So yeah, I'm gonna ask him a lot more about that when we get there. Hopefully he does have a little bit of time to talk. Everything says compact parking, huh? Yeah. This car is too big. This rental, we were supposed to get an economy car, something like a Yaris, something I'm used to driving, but we got an SUV, so gotta make do with that. Ooh, I'm just gonna pull right through. Perfect. You wanna go shopping while I do this?
You gonna be okay?
Yeah, I'll be okay. Yep. Hey, how's it going? My name's Ben. What's up? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Is there if I record this?
Oh, for YouTube? Oh, okay.
Did you upgrade recently?
Yeah. I got like a little migraine today, so
You got a 1060 to replace it?
that's my brother's box.
Okay, what'd you get?
I got a 1060. I'm gonna upgrade it later. My case is broken, so I can't add it.
Okay. How long have you had this one for?
Since 2014.
Oh wow. I have a question, because since I'm not from around here, how are the prices on hardware here? Is it good or pretty bad compared to like mainland US? Do you know?
I haven't seen mainland US, but if you're buying stuff on Craigslist, it is cheap, but you kind of have to question it a little bit, yeah.
Where do you buy your new hardware from?
Online.
Like Newegg and stuff, or?
More like Amazon.
Okay.
But sometimes I do Newegg as well.
Is there any extra for shipping at all, or?
I think Newegg, there is shipping,
okay.
But like the most I've seen when I try to buy a card is like 20, 30
My channel is mainly based on used parts, so every time I go buy something used like this, I try to like vlog it.
Oh, cool. What channel?
It's called Nerd on a Budget.
Nerd on a Budget. Nice.
Yeah, and then I've never done one of these where while I'm traveling, like I've tried to before, but it's just really hard. Like I was saying today, you know, because we have vacation plans, so it's hard to work it into the schedule. Are you far from here, or?
They're like 6 miles, 7 miles.
Okay, so pretty close. All right. So here's 80 bucks. And you can count that. Oh, yeah.
Yep.
80. You good? All right, And what was your name again?
Wing.
Wing?
Yeah.
Okay, nice to meet you, Danny.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. Yeah, for sure. Have a great rest of your night.
You too. Enjoy Hawaii.
Thanks. I don't know if I can fit this in here.
Put it through the laptop section.
Get in there.
Do you want to drive over there?
Oh, it's on the other side of the mall.
Yeah. You can just hold it and we just put it on the bottom of the floor. That's what we should have went upstairs for.
It's fine. So be very careful walking down. Alright, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Usually this is the part where I go home and test it out, but I have no computer hardware to be able to test this out. So by the time I edit this, I will have known if it works or not, and I'll put that in the description or on the screen. But thank you as always for watching. Let me know if you guys have picked up anything recently on Craigslist or any of the other websites. Yeah, I'll see you all in the comments down below as well as in the next video. Bye.